what's up and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Logitech Craft Keyboard. This is a very unique keyboard as it comes with a creative input dial and it's also a wireless keyboard. I'm super excited for this unboxing, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for new notifications. Now let's get on with the video. Alright, so starting off we have our user documentation. We also have our charging cable and unifying USB receiver. Since the keyboard is also wireless, a USB receiver is also provided. Now the charging cable provided is the USB Type-C recharging cable. Alright, so getting into the keyboard itself, the Logitech Craft Keyboard is compatible with both Mac OS and Windows. Now on the top of the keyboard you can see an off and on switch, which allows for easy Bluetooth connectivity. And the keyboard also comes with SDK or software development kit. This is basically a collection of software development tools that you can use on a variety of things. The Logitech Craft Keyboard also comes with wireless encryption with a 10-meter wireless range. Alright, so on the top left corner of the keyboard you have a creative input dial, and this comes with touch sensitive control and can be used on your favorite apps on Mac OS or Windows. Alright guys, so overall I think the Logitech Craft Keyboard has a really nice touch to it. They added some really clever and unique ideas to the design of the keyboard, and not only that, but the easy wireless connectivity was a big pro for me. I think one of the only problems was the pricing and how expensive it was, but other than that I do recommend it, and I think that this deserves a really big thumbs up. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any new notifications, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!